Hello dear students! You are given again worksheets for Unit 2 ourselves. Please complete the worksheet on comparing heads and taller or shorter. On your workbook page 19, How Tall? Some Stage 1 learners use string or yarn to measure their height. They stuck the strings on the wall and compared them. Here, there are names of kids: Jack, Amir, Tom, Hanif. You will find out A. Who is the tallest? B. Who is the shortest? C. Is Tom taller than Hanif? D. Is Jack taller than Amir? Workbook page 20, Comparing Heads. Number 1. Cheng and Peng use string to measure around their heads. You can see this string. They will measure their heads. They use cubes to measure the string to find out how big their heads are. This one is for Cheng and this is for Peng. Now let's answer the question. A. How many cubes long is Cheng's string? Letter B. How many cubes long is Peng's string? You will count the cubes. Letter C. Who has the biggest head? D. Who has the smallest head? Letter E. How many cubes more is the bigger head? On your workbook page 21, let's find out who is taller or shorter. Are you taller or shorter than these animals? The first one has been done for you. I am shorter than an elephant. Now letter B, you will write if it is taller or shorter. I am blank than a penguin. This is the penguin. Letter C, I am blank than a rabbit. Have you seen a rabbit before? Now you will write taller or shorter. Letter D, I am blank than a cat. And E, this is the giraffe. I am blank than a giraffe. Just write taller or shorter. And number 2, you will write 2 sentences of your own. Use the words in the boxes. A, taller than, and then B, shorter than. Okay? At the end of this, you will see the answer key. How tall? Some Stage 1 learners use string to measure their height. They stuck the strings on the wall and compare them. Okay? First is Jack, and that's Amir, Tom, and Hanif. Question A, who is the tallest? It's Jack. Who is the shortest? Amir. Letter C, is Tom, this is Tom, taller than Hanif? Let's see. Yes, Tom is taller than Hanif. Letter D, is Jack taller than Amir? Yes, Jack is taller than Amir. Can you see this length? That is the height of Jack. Now answer for comparing heads. Cheng and Peng use string to measure around their heads. Now let's find out. This is for Cheng and this is for Peng. How many cubes long is Cheng's string? 18 cubes. From here to there is 18. Letter B, how many cubes long is Peng's string? 15. You will count here from 1 until the end, that is 15 cubes. Who has the biggest head? It's Cheng. Okay, this is Cheng. Who has the smallest head? And answer here is Peng. How many cubes more has the bigger head? So you will minus, okay? 15 and another one is 18 cubes. How many cubes more is the bigger head? It's 3 cubes. For taller and shorter, the first one has been done for you. I am shorter than an elephant. Okay? We will write taller or shorter on letter B. Let me see. I am blank than a penguin. Taller. Letter C. I am blank than a rabbit. Where's the rabbit? There's the rabbit. Taller. I am blank than a cat. The answer is taller. How about the giraffe? I am shorter than a giraffe. Well done. Number 2, You will write two sentences of your own. Use the words in the boxes. A, taller than. Example, I am taller than a dog. Then write another sentence here. Letter B, shorter than. Example is, I am shorter than a cow. Job well done. Thank you so much for being a good student.